everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to look at just a stunning 1970 Dodge Challenger RTSE. Beautiful car, guys. We bought this from a lady. She had a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration done to this car. $120,000 is what she spent doing this car, guys. $28,000 just to paint it. Factory F8 green car. It is a true RTSE. Factory triple green. U-code car. It doesn't have the matching numbers engine in it, but it does have a 70 date coded 440 in it. Air blows ice cold, and I'm telling you, the one word to describe this car, it's stunning. As nice on the bottom as it is on top. Just a gorgeous car. The only reason she sold the car, unfortunately, she's sick. They've got a few Mopars. Matter of fact, I'm probably going to end up going up and see them in the fall. She said she had another car that she was thinking about selling, but just a gorgeous car. Great people, her and her husband, wonderful people. They do have all the receipts for them, for the car. She's going to send them up to me, and we do have their phone number. That'll go with the car. Just wonderful people. And she is going to send us all the receipts. She just wanted to get all her personal information off before she sent them to us. But just a beautiful car. Again, true RTSE. Factory U-code 440, and just as nice as you can possibly imagine. It's about the only thing, this car's got a special back window, and it's original, got the original Chrysler marking. There's a little bit of light scratching in there. Man, other than that, guys, there's not a whole lot you can really pick on this car. It's just beautiful. Car is just laser straight down the sides. It's got the Goodyear polyglass all the way around it. Factory rally wheels. Beautiful, beautiful car. And again, it's as nice on the bottom as it is on top, guys. Again, not a matching numbers car, but it is a factory U-code 440. Got a date code correct. Engine in it, 4-barrel. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Factory air. Yes, the air does work. Power steering, power disc brakes. Factory Mopar radiator with the shroud. And I'm telling you guys, just stunning. There's your fender tag. I tried to take a picture with this up a little bit so in the ad, that would be in the ad. Correct crinkle coated, dual snorkel breather. 727 torqueflite automatic trans. Like I said, I don't know if you can see in those fender wells. This thing is just beautiful. Jay, actually, I haven't even had a chance to drive it. Well, I started it and moved it around the parking lot, but Jay drove it and said it drives phenomenal. It's just a little smudge there. You can see how nice the trim is. Here's your door tag. This car is just gorgeous, guys.
You guys be interested in trading?
It's got the bucket seats, the console. You can see even the seat buckles were still wrapped in plastic, guys. Overhead console. It's got the factory rally dash, 83,890 on the odometer. AM, FM radio. It's got all new dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. Boy, this car is pretty, guys. It's got the factory jack, spare. You can see, actually they've got look how nice the trunk's painted. I mean, just beautiful, man. And again, the bottom of this car is just stunning. Pretty car, guys. Steering wheel's nice, and the dash is nice. Dual chrome mirrors. Kick the air on, air does blow ice cold. Boy, I'll tell you, the paint on that car is just gorgeous. Tech works. Gauges work, even the clock works in there, guys. Backup lights work. Radio works, blower motor, we know that works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that car is just gorgeous. Have a great day, guys.